Here, previous description. Actually, in a previous class, okay, we discussed about which topic. So GitHub. Okay, so how to connect Git. Okay, and how to connect to GitHub. Okay, so in previous class, what? See here, some description is there. Okay, see this one Git to GitHub. What is Git? See here. Okay, Git is a local repository, and every day. So see this one. At the end of the day, every developer commit and share the files from computer to laptop. Okay, so you can do your project. Okay, you can do your code. So that can be stored in one place. That is called as a Git. So Git is what? It is a computer laptop. We can store that local repositories. Okay, save the data into Git. Okay. Next, see this one. PC to Git. So we can use which command here? Commit command. Okay, and after that we can push that files. Okay, after that we can push the git files to GitHub. So we can use which command? Push command here. See this one. Git to GitHub. So we can push here. Okay, push command here. So this one Git is what? Git is a local repository. GitHub is a global repository. Okay, that is a difference. So see this one. Is already one example we can discuss. See this one. This is what working directory. So untracked files too, we can convert the tracked files. We use which command? So add command. Okay. So working directory area to staging area. And after that, we can some files is these all are tracked files. Okay. We can share that files to Git repository. We can share that files to Git repository. See this one Git repository what here modification purpose. Okay. Because we can use which command here? Commit command. After that, the files is committed to committed files to Git repository. Then Git repository to GitHub. Okay, if you can once we can push the once we can push the file. Okay, once we can push the file using push command, there is no modifications are possible here. Okay, so modifications are not possible here. Okay, so that's why see this four are what working directory. Okay, and staging area and Git and GitHub. Next one is what untracked file, tracked file, committed file, and remote file. Okay, this for we can use three commands: add, commit, push. Okay, so now we can solving all these files. See this one. Description already we can see in previous class. Okay, so it is a working directory is a project folder. So untracked files are working directory. We can track that untracked files come into Git repository. That is what local repository here. So staging area means it is available working between directory and index. Okay, see this one. What is the tracked file? Send the files to your working directory to staging area. This is what contains the tracked files here. Okay. So here we can use how many commands here? Three commands. What are that? Add to commit and push. Okay. After pushing the code from Git to GitHub. Okay. Modifications are also possible here. See this one. I can create. So first of all, we can open the Eclipse. I can create one new project here. See this one. I can create one new Maven project. My project name is what? See this one. I can create project name. Okay. Click on next. So my project name is Selenium. Okay. So లేదంటే selenium 1. Okay, you can give like that. Selenium 1. Okay, I can give same name selenium 1. This is my project name. I can click on what finish here. See this one. It is generated or not? Selenium 1 is also generated. See here. Selenium 1 is generated. Okay. Now, so I will go to the project. So where is that project? My project location. Okay, this is this PC, and in that C folder. So my project location is in okay NIT. So in that, so Selenium one is created or not? Okay, my project is created. So you can open that one. Okay, and right click on this page. Okay, right click on here. So you can open show more options button and then click open JIT dash here. Okay, you can click the JIT here. Okay, so see this one. So I can create entire JIT. Okay, entire Git file. So here I can give what first process is first Git initialization. That's why. So create a local repository. You can create one local repository. That is, you can use which command? Git init. Okay, I can use this command. See this one. Okay, it is generated. So after that, we can what give my okay. Open the Git bash. Okay, see this one. This is my Git bash. So I can close the old one. Okay. See, and this is my Git bash. Okay, these are my old project names. So I can create one new project. Okay. So if you username and password, how you can create already we can discuss in previous class. Okay. GitHub creation is discussed in previous class how to create that one. Okay. So the username and password will be generated. So see here. So git config, this is what virtual repository, not visible in that project location. So, okay, so that's why provided user information to get the repository. So we can click like git. Okay, git config. What is that? Global, BL global. My username is what? Username, you can click on user dot name. Okay, globally my username is PURNACHAND 43. Okay, see this one. Afterward, if config global user dot okay. So I can give the mail ID here. Okay. So I can give the mail ID here. Okay. So mail ID is also created. So next one, what? Git status. Now we can check the status. Okay. Git status. Git status. See this one. These all are not created files. Class path, git, ignore, project, settings, pom.xml. So that's why we can add these files into our folder. Okay. We can use what? Git add a. Okay. Git add a is git status is used for what? Git status is a execute this command. It will show the untracked files. Okay. Git status show the untracked files in the red color. See this one. This red color are untracked files. Okay. Now working speed to staging. Add the files into the folders to get the staging. That's why you can add what? We can add a folders. Okay. You can write this command. See this one. It is not working. So again, we can give. Okay. Git add. Okay. So now it is adding, and after that we can check the status here. Okay, git status. Now we can check the status. It is converted into tracked files or not. So already we can see the diagram. See this one. Here we can change the untracked files to tracked files. Okay, untracked files in red color, tracked files in what? Green color here. Okay, see here. It will be generated or not. Okay, check this one. Okay, I can give my status. See this one. So class path, JIT, project, program.xml. Previously, untracked files are converted into okay tracked files. Okay, see this one. Tracked files will be displayed in which color? Okay, so green color. Tracked files are displayed. Okay, so after that we can commit this one. So see here, git status to check how available in staging area. This is what converted into tracked files. Green color here, staging area. This is which area? Working directory area. This is which area? Staging area. Okay. So this is red color in working directory area, and green color is what? Staging area. Okay. So now here we can the code into commit the code into local repository. That's why what we can use commit git commit. Okay, git commit -m. Okay, so I can give any test message here. So I can give what fifth, I can give what sixth. Okay, sixth commit. I can give here sixth commit. See this one. Sixth commit I can give. So if you are doing first time, you can give what first commit. Okay, so I am sixth time. That's why you can give sixth commit. Okay, now I can click enter. See this one. This is create or not? Okay, create. Now push the code from Git to okay. Now push the code from Git to GitHub. So now we can create one repository. See here. First of all, we can create one new repository. So I can create the new repository. See this one. So what is my folder name? See this one. This repository name is matched with. Okay, this repository name is perfectly matched with our project name. So what is our project name here? Selenium one is our project name. So now I can go to my folder and I can copy that my folder name. Copy. Okay. I can copy my folder name. So next come to GitHub. See this one. I can give what my folder name here. Okay. So Selenium one is available. Now, so after the see this one, if you log in, create new repository, the repository name is matched with your project name. So that's why I can give my project name here. Okay. So after that, so this one is public. Next here, we can create new repository. See this one repository is created. Okay, this is my repository. My repository is created. See this one. This is what? This is the URL. So you can copy this URL and paste into somewhere. Okay, so I can paste into my notepad here. See this one. I can paste here. Okay, so now I can save the file. Control S. Okay, this is my file. Now, okay, now I can get remote add origin. Okay, so I can add that one. Please wait. Um, So if you add that one, okay, if you add that one, so first of all, you can create a new token. Okay, first of all, you can create one new token, series one. So token files, series one, how to create token. Okay, so create token. So first I can give what here, add car series one, remote, okay, remote add origin, okay, git remote add origin. My folder name series one, git remote. I can give what add origin. Okay, within double quotes, I can copy the new repository code. See this one, I can paste it here. Paste. Okay, after quotations will be closed. Now click enter. Okay, it is created. Now click on token classes. So see this one, I can how I can click on token classes. So see here, you click on your profile. This is what its color is a profile. So you can click on profile and go to settings here. Okay, settings, go to settings. After go to settings, see this one here. So many files are displayed. So public profile account. So like this, you can go for archives. In that developer settings will be displayed. See this one, developer settings. You can click on the developer settings. And after that, GitHub apps are there. So personal access tokens. Okay, you can expand this. After that, we can click on tokens classic. Okay, see this one. Here, generate, after clicking the tokens classic, you create new generate token option is available. Create new generate token. Okay, so you can click on this. Here also, create generate token classic is available. Okay, you can click on this. Okay, so here one option is any test name is asking. So that's why I can give what token 3. Okay, tokens 3. This is my test name. So after that, see here, I can give. So these 4 shifts are finished. Okay, so GitHub password and logins and unwanted tests. Okay, so select the checkboxes repo. Okay, repo, admin, delete, and repo user. Okay, you can click on this one. Okay, so now I can click on what? See here, repo. See this one, repo. So I can click on repo. Next to admin.org. See this one, this is what admin.org. Next to delete repo. I can click on delete repo. And next to user. Okay. So you can click on what here? Repo, admin.org. Okay. And user and what delete repo. You can click on this 4. So next you can generate the token. Okay. So here token is generated. So you can copy this one. Okay. Copy this one token. Copy this. Okay. Can copy and paste it where I can paste here. See this one, I can paste here. My token name is paste here. So now I can save the file here. Okay. Why means if it is missing, okay, it is can't be generated again. That's why you can create mali again. Mali miru ippudu miss aithe mali మీరు first can create చేసుకోవాలి. You can starting from the creation. Okay. That's why I can save the file into the notepad. Okay. So now, okay. Now we can use which command here? Git push. See this one. Git push origin master. Okay, so I can click on this one. Git push origin origin master. Okay, I can click on this one. Okay, so it will be pushed here. Okay, so actually one page will be displayed, but it is not something generated. So one alert is displayed here. So git push origin means one alert is displayed. So wait, please one git push origin master here. Okay. So actually in previously generated file will be accepted that one. See, so git push means ensuring that one 100% writing that objects. So you can click on the refresh here. See this one. You can click on refresh here. Okay. After refreshing this one, so go to your repositories. See here. Here my file is what Selenium one. Okay. So this one. It will be generated. Okay. 6 commit, 6 commit. Okay. So before that one, okay, before that one, you can see what? See this one. This page will be displayed. Create new repository. So you can sorry. This page will be okay displayed. What is that? Connect to GitHub. So that token you can copy that paste here. Okay, paste the token here and click on the sign in. Okay, click on the sign in. Then it will be displayed. Okay. After that, you can it can be displayed. See this one. GitHub. I can give what this Git dashboard. See this one. This is my project. Okay. So see here, this one go to new repositories. So here so many projects are available. My project name is what, Serenema. See this one. It will be displayed like this. So your commits test, 6 commit. Okay, 6 minutes ago. So all files will be generated here. Okay. Now again I can create another push. See this one. Second time. So second time already Git global, Git username. Okay. So Git add remote origin. These all are displayed previously. Okay. All are connected previously. Now second time. So see this one, Git add here one, you can add one file here. Okay. Now we can add one file here. So see this one. So I can generate it. See this one. So open Eclipse. Open Eclipse. My project name is this one. Okay, in that project, I can create one new file. See this one. New file. So my file name is testing 22. Okay, I can give like that. Testing what 22. Okay, testing 22 dot txt. This is my file name. Okay. So after finish this one, file will be generated here. In that I can give some text. Okay, this is my sixth commit file. Okay, this is my sixth commit file. Okay, I can give like this. I can save the file. Okay, so I can save the file. Now open the Git bash. So see the process. So what is the process? Get status. Okay, so now you will get the status now. So after that, add button and commit button. Okay, so now see this one. Git status. I can give Git status status. Okay, see here. My recently created file testing 22 will be untracked file or not? This is what untracked file. Now I can change this one to tracked file. So that's why I can add library. So I can add the file here. So that's why git add -a. Okay. So give like this. So now after that we can check the status. Okay, again we can check the status. status status. See this one. New file or not. So untracked file is converted into converted file. This is what working directory area. This is what staging area. Okay. It will be created. New file also will be created here. Now I will give git commit. So now I will go for the commit. Git commit m. So now previously I can do what? Sixth commit. Now seventh commit. Okay. STVENTH COMMIT. Seventh commit. Okay. I can give like this. H. Okay, one file will be created. Next, git push origin master. Okay, so git push origin origin masta. I can give like this. Okay, next click on enter. Okay, create or not? Created 100%. Okay, so now check here. So go to repositories, check this one. I can click on refresh here. Okay, seventh commit, see this one. Seventh commit, testing 20 will be displayed or not? So seventh commit, testing 22, test here. Okay, text also displayed. Now I can create. Okay, next pull the code from GitHub to. So this is the process of start Git to GitHub. Okay, this is the process of Git to GitHub. Now the reverse process will be applied here. So reverse process is what? GitHub to Git. Okay, that's why we can create what? Add file here and create one new file. So my file name is, see this one, enter your file name. So I can give what? Testing 23. I can give my file name. Okay, .txt. Okay, .txt. In that file we can create what? See this one. In that file we can create what? This is GitHub. This is GitHub page. Okay. So now we can click on commit changes. Okay. So my file name is displayed or not? Testing 23 tst. This is my file name. Now after that, click on commit changes. Okay. See this one, testing 23. Creating test or not? Yes. Now go for the Eclipse. See this one. Here, previously what we can do, so test one file will be created in Eclipse, and that we can forward that file to GitHub. Git. Okay, Git to GitHub. So now, so we can create file in GitHub. In that we can forward that file into reverse process to Eclipse. So now the testing 23 file B comes to here. So see this one. Selenium and refresh here. Okay, see this. Where is the file? Oh, wait. So it is not coming. Why means here we can't apply pull option. Okay. So you can click on pull. Okay. Pull what? Pull from GitHub to Git. Okay. So pull my command name is what? My previously remote repository URL is available. Okay. So I can copy that repository URL. This is my repository URL. I can again copy this one. Okay. Copy this one. So now paste it here. See this one, paste it here. Control V. It is not paste means right click on here and click on paste. Okay. So you can remove this one. Okay. I can give like this. Quotations close. Now click on enter. Okay. File is changed here. Inserting. One insertion is possible. Now after insertion is completed, now you can refresh on here. See this one. Refresh file. Sorry. So test 22 here refresh. See this one. Test 23 is will be come here. This is what GitHub page. Okay. So first process is what Git to GitHub. Next second process is what reverse process GitHub to Git. Okay. This is the GitHub repository. Now what? So same like that you can create a fourth time, fifth time. Okay. Same process. So now I can clone the new repository into local system. See here. See this one. See this one. Now I can clone the new repository to local system. Open GitHub, go to repositories, select one repository. You can click on, okay, clone and open. So this is one, paste the URL, git clone. So same like that. So see here, I can go for this one, okay. And what my repositories, go to file, repositories, okay. So I can click on Selenium, Java, okay. So this repository file will be displayed. So what is that issue insights? Okay, this name is what? See this one. This is the another repository, previous repository URL. Okay, see this one, repository URL. I can copy this one. Okay, I can copy this one. Click on copy. Okay, I can click on copy. So git clone and paste here. So see this one. I can apply here. Okay, git clone. clone. Git clone. So paste the URL. Okay, I can paste the URL. Let's use paste. Okay, so in the ending, then give this one. Cloning into Selenium. Okay, cloning into Selenium. Selenium is be cloned. Okay, now we will go for the folder. Now go for the folder. See here, where is my file? Folder is available. Selenium. Okay, in that Selenium one, see this one. Selenium Java will be created. Okay, so in that Selenium one, Selenium Java previous folder. Okay, so all files are comes here. Are you understood? In previously Selenium Java folder is available outside of the folder. Okay. Now I can clone these two folders, two projects. I can close these two projects. This is some others projects. So if other projects also, we can clone to our project repository. Okay. So now you can check this one into here. So refresh. Okay. So refresh here. So two projects are cloned. Okay. This is the class. So next topic is what? Conflicts. We can discuss in next class. Okay. Thank you.